Okay, so as we get started, this is a breakfast hot dog, and I hope you guys absolutely enjoy this one. This is going to be great. So as you can see, we've got bacon, we've got mushrooms, we've got the hot dogs there in the actual grill. We're going to add some onions to this. So as you can see, we've got the onions in the pan looking good. Now we're going to flip these bacons over, because this is a breakfast that you know you want to enjoy, right? We're just going to add the onions and the mushrooms to the rolls. That's one. Add our hot dogs to the roll. Now that is a beautiful breakfast. Take a picture.